All right, so this is a quick little video, a little feedback for Owl Vans if you're reading this. So this is my B2 carrier, and I've had this for 4 months maybe, and that's starting to rust out right there. And I don't know, I don't know about everybody else, maybe I'm just picky, but I'm not super excited about that. With how much money we're paying for these things in 4 months, I should not be seeing rust, whether it's surface rust or whatever it is that it can be explained to be. It shouldn't be on there, I don't feel, at this particular point. 4 months I've had these carriers on. It hasn't even been used because, you know, as you can see, I don't have the one up installed yet, which I was coming out here to do because I just did my box, you know, and that as I was installing that, that's how I noticed that there's a bunch of rust there. And then when it comes to the box, I feel like the tolerances in here are too tight. So as I'm screwing this in there, it touches the B2 carrier. I feel like that bolt should be shorter to avoid that or to stop that from happening. Same thing if I'm looking down here, every single one, you can see that bolt comes out and it starts to drill into that. So those bolts should, I feel, be shorter than that, or the gap between this and that should be shorter. I'm not an engineer, so I'm not good at that kind of stuff, but all I know is that it's not right. If I'm tightening that, that shouldn't be that close. And there should probably be a different system of getting these things in there, because that was not easy. But I'll make a video, and I'm gonna put that on YouTube off my old installation, because I got that video done. But otherwise, looks-wise, honestly, I think it looks really good. So I can't say anything about that. I love the look of the box. I think it's legit. That rust, though, I feel is gonna start appearing in other places as well. So it's not cool.